Hi, Hope family. It's Sarah. And I just wanted to give you maybe a thought today about appreciating the little things. I think for me, I've realized just how much I've taken some little things for granted. And if there's anything we can learn from a situation, maybe it's to appreciate the little things. And I think I have found this to be true in one specific area, in that I've really taken for granted pre-made bread. I cannot find bread anywhere. I can't think of how many stores I've been to. I even thought, maybe we could just get flour and make our own bread. But apparently everyone else had the same idea too, because we can't find any. So we're going to do a little bit of an experiment today. I have my helpers with me. Hello. Here's my other helper. And we are going to try making bread with a product that we have never heard of or seen before. And so I am going to call this social distancing recipe experiment number 1. Let's see how it goes. So here's a new product. It's called apple flour. Now it says that it's great for baking things like cookies, muffins, cupcakes, brownies, pancakes, and waffles. I've looked online and I haven't seen any recipes for bread with apple flour, but let's give it a try. Okay, so here we are. We have made the dough, and about 45 minutes in a very floury kitchen later, let's see how this thing rose. Okay, fingers crossed. Hey, it actually looks pretty good. That about doubled in size. All right, on to the next step. All right, check it out. It actually turned out really well. It definitely has an apple scent. I gotta let it cool before I try it, but it looks good. So I guess we'll see how it tastes. So it's okay. It's definitely has a little bit of a different flavor, but it's not that bad. Anyway, we'll eat it. So that was our experiment. So anyway, I just want to encourage everybody at home, just make the most of what you can. It's with my kids, I've tried to just make this somewhat of an adventure. Sure, the grocery stores don't have everything we normally buy, but we can be adventurous and we can try new things, and it's okay, and it's fun, and we can do things together. I am definitely grateful for, the ease of grocery shopping of what it was before, but I know that we'll get on the other side of this. We just all have to do our part, and let's just make the most of what we have. Love on your families, be kind to them, be kind to yourself, give each other extra grace as you're all in the same household for long periods of time. But I will talk to you guys later, and I hope everyone is doing well. If you need anything, don't hesitate to call, email, text. We've got the church information that we've sent out. You should all have my number. We love you guys, and I hope everyone is staying well. Bye.